Hey, what is going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be putting some full chrome taillights on the Miata. I've been trying to get these for a while, and I kind of figured out how to get them, and I'll show you guys later, like, I guess, where to get the taillights or how you can make the taillights. And then we're going to run to AutoZone real quick, because we need to get some different bulbs for the taillights, and I'll show you, again, all that stuff later. But for now, we're just going to roll out. I got Abby with me here today, and I think she's gonna be installing the taillights. They're really tough, so I really needed like a real mechanic to do them.
Yeah, he doesn't know what he's doing.
No, absolutely not. Yeah, I'm gonna get some footage of me driving the static mobile. Slow down on this one. NANI?! That.
Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
Guys, I'm gonna get into my driveway. I never enjoy getting in my driveway, but you know, gotta do what we gotta do. We're in, boys. All right, so now I'm at my house, and these are the taillights that we're gonna be replacing. These are just the stock NA Miata taillights. But I wanted something that would kind of match the wheels a little better. And I also got these front indicators. All right, so let's show off these taillights. Yeah, these are the full chrome taillights. Now, you can buy these pre-made. Like, no company really sells these. You can buy these from CJ Motoring, and I'll put a link in the description for that. Or you could just buy like the eBay Altezza taillights, and I'll show you a picture of those on the screen, and then you can like modify them and take the red lenses out. But that way is a lot cheaper, but is a lot harder to do. So yeah, CJ Motoring kind of just does all the work for you. I actually bought these from a buddy on Instagram who did hit it himself. So the next thing is you're gonna need to get red LED. I don't know if these show up well on camera, but you need to get red LED bulbs for the taillights, since obviously there's no red lenses, so you need colored lights. And then you're also gonna need yellow indicators. It's a 1157R for the red taillight LEDs, and then 1157A for the signal indicators. And then, yeah, I'll show you what that looks like once we hook it all up. Okay, so I'm sure this is pretty self-explanatory, but you just need a 10 mil socket for this. So yeah, if you want to film here, first thing you need to do, I mean, this is gonna be real self-explanatory here, is just unplug the harness here, and then that takes out obviously your bulbs, and then there's just bolts surrounding the taillight, which Abby's gonna do. Here's the harness, and then we can take the taillights out. It'll be pretty straightforward. So yeah, Abby has pretty much unscrewed all those things, and then
Fingers.
oh yeah, and then you're gonna just yank that taillight off.
Oh.
You could just pull it from the outside. Yeah.
From the outside.
Yeah, just pull on it.
Oh.
Well, I guess we'll find out if you got all the bolts out.
I don't want to break anything.
Just give it a yank. It should come out pretty easily. Maybe don't pull on it too hard.
Okay, well.
Oh. Hey. Yeah. So I've been. Oh yeah, you want to get that? That'll be the thumbnail right there. Okay. Yeah, shout out to my boy Ray for selling these Johnnies to me. He's a homie. Stantsuki on Instagram. Look at her go.
There it goes. Do I just pop it in, or is...
It should just slide right in. Here, make sure. Yeah.
Wow.
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 Look at that.
Wow.
Look at the difference. Ooh.
That does look a lot.
That's pretty hot, boy. I gotta put
like that.
the. Oh Lord. Damn, that is pretty sexy. I ain't even gonna lie. I need to clean my wheels though, cause the taillights are like so much brighter than my wheels, but we'll clean it. Okay, so yeah, here's the harness, and we're gonna replace. I already had an LED bulb in here. This is for the taillight bulb. We're gonna replace. Actually, no, this is the reverse light. We're gonna just keep this bulb as is, and then this is the taillight bulb right here, and we're gonna replace that one with the red LED, the 1157R, and this one we're gonna replace with the yellow indicator bulb, obviously. So let's do that. Abby is also gonna be putting the bulbs in. This one doesn't really matter because they're LEDs.
But you don't touch the glass.
Well, there's no glass, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, don't touch the glass on those ones. Yeah, I actually got the wrong bulb, so I think we want 1156A bulbs instead of what I got, which is 1157. I think if you just ask the person that works at AutoZone, they probably would help you, but I didn't do that. So we're gonna just finish off this taillight here so it can be done. I'm just gonna use the white bulbs for now, and then eventually I will put the correct bulbs in there. There you go. So yeah, this bulb is supposed to be yellow. That is like... Look how hard this would be. Imagine you're driving behind me and that's my... You can't even see it. Let me turn the... That's my signal right there. I know this was a really boring video because we're literally just putting taillights on a Miata. But here's, I guess, the big reveal. Oh, shit. Hold on, let me get a good angle. Like, damn. Let me change. Oh my God. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Ah, man, it's funny how, like, the smallest things in life make me so happy, but, like, that's it right there. Wow. Wow.
Got me in the pool. I ain't no better by doors. Sitting in the battle by doors. Young nigga ready for war. Young nigga shooting.
Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up the video. Hope you at least learned something today, and at least maybe you found how to get chrome taillights, or I don't know, but it was just a fun little vlog of me making my car more hot boy. So yeah, me and Abby we're headed out, so thanks for watching. Peace.
Bye.
Also, in case you guys wanted to see what the brake lights look like. Damn, dude, this thing's so sexy.
I'm pulling your seat all the way forward.
Okay, go ahead. girlfriend problems. All right. They're actually pretty red. Those kind of look tough. Abby, can you hit the brakes again?
What?
Hit the brakes again. Yeah, I don't know how well they show on camera, but yeah, I think they look pretty bright. All right, bet.